Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to give you a quick overview of these milk bones. These are the small size. This is a massive, in this particular example, 7 pounds of these milk bones, and there's over 250 pieces. And they are of the peanut butter flavor. They look like this, and from a size standpoint, they are 2 inches long by about almost just shy of a ½ inch thick, and the width is right at an inch. Kind of give you an idea size-wise. Kind of hard to understand what these things look like in your hand, but do the dogs love them? Well, they are a peanut butter flavor, and a lot of animals like the old peanut butter flavor. So I'll break it in half just from this example, but they can't get these, they can't get enough of these things. They love these milk bones. These animals here are in the range of 55 to 37 pounds. They're small, but you know, if your dog's a little bit bigger, you can give them a couple. You know, that's how I look at it. So hopefully this answers any question you might have, which is really about the flavor and the size, and I'll talk to you soon.